Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Monday the 25th of April. So let's get cracking and look at these markets. Firstly, let's look at the risk events coming out today. Let's just switch across to my calendar here and go to today would be good. And there's not a great deal. Italian bank holiday, German IFO business climate, not going to be moving too much from there. And the Bank of Canada governor speaking later at 4. That may create some volatility. Okay, so there is some potential volatility later. But I wouldn't be holding on too much for that at the moment. The markets then, the Forex market first. Euro seems to have taken a dive down this morning. I'm just looking at it as quite a bearish sort of ending on Friday. I've seen a continuation of that move to the downside. Lower highs on the 4-hourly time frame. I mean, it's gone so far already. I mean, it's really moved here. If you look at it, it's one hell of a big move. I was trying to find out what was causing this, apart from obviously supply, too much supply and not enough demand. So as I say, lower highs at the moment. It's a difficult one. It looks bearish. It is bearish. It's gone at the moment. So difficult one there with the euro. The pound likewise has already went pretty much on Fridays, following through again today. Let's just check on something there. It's got the right date. I'm just checking I'm not missing data. I've got some weird data coming through. Lower highs, funny old movement here, soft movement, pushing through, but all the same, just weakness. And at this stage, I've got to just wait for retracements. There's nothing beyond waiting for a retracement that I can do. So at this stage, as I say, waiting for retracements. As a pound, yen. Well, the yen's holding in there. If anything, I mean, I was looking at this immediately and thinking, well, it's risk off, and well, it could be risk off with the yen coming back to the sort of secondary safety currency aside of the US dollar, but it's holding on quite firmly at the moment. Okay, so do you know, I just don't like trading it against the bigger trend here at the moment. It could be in scope for a wider change or change in direction here at some point, and really the confirmation would be that break of that 127.44 area, where my cursor is at the moment. Break of that low would give us more potential for a bit more of a correction. We haven't seen much of a correction on the yen for a while, and that might be it. But until that's done or starts, I'm not interested. Aussie dollar again selling this morning. Harsh day on Friday there, sold off again this morning. Again, just straight off this morning. It just continuation from Friday there. I know the Feds are sort of coming back and suggesting higher interest rates quicker, etc. But yeah, quite a strong old move against the Aussie at the moment. Again, retracements to sell at the moment. This is really changing from what was quite a bullish market. It's retraced here and struggled somewhat. Okay, let's switch here. Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Whoops. Canadian dollar, switch that into play. So Canadian dollar higher low this morning. We've got sorry, just looking across there. Higher lows pushing to the upside. It's really changed shape at the moment here. Really changed shape. Just looking through here, high lows, high highs. Again, it's this one. I've got to wait until we get some sort of retrace. So nothing here for me at the moment. Just looking for retracements, but I would be looking to play more towards the upper side on this at the moment. It's given that higher low overall, and looking slightly more bullish Okay, so that's the major currencies. Looking across then at gold, and gold is coming off as well, so it really is money running into dollar. Just looked at this on Friday and it looked a bit fickle, and late last week, and then Friday it's come off and really just continuing through. Same old story right the way across at the moment. Okay, going to switch markets here. Aussie dollar. Don't want Aussie dollar at all. What am I doing? Let's get into the crypto markets here. Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin lower highs, breaking down here. Lower lows. Again, Bitcoin just looking back weak again. It really has gone from at one stage, well, seems like a long time ago now, looking like it was going to properly break out and run, and it never managed to hold on to it. When you bring it back to a weekly pivot here, you can see, if anything, it looks even weaker and could be running back to that sort of trend line that was running across the lows there. So it does look very, very soft at this stage. Ethereum, let's just come back to a daily chart here, but same picture here, same picture right the way across. We've just got dollar strength and just about everything else pushing up lower highs and continuing here. Okay, BNB is exactly the same, so the crypto markets all pretty much the same here. Moving through to the indices, and CSI 300 again. Keep on talking. I've been bearish on this for months, and it's just continuing to sell off. Any retracements of any size would give us opportunities, but for now, these markets are really, really down. Things aren't helping in China with more lockdowns potential, more COVID pushing through and around. Nikkei here down as well. Really bearish market this morning. DAX continuing okay. It sold off on Friday. It's continued that sell-off and looks like it's got even further to go at this rate. CAC, I thought we might have seen a little bit more, a bit of a hold back on that with Macron being voted again, but it appears that not to be. And that too is following down. US markets are all down at the moment as well. The S&P futures here, E-mini futures selling off at this stage. The Nasdaq, all of these, I mean, again, retracement. Someone asked me about the S&Ps, about inverted head and shoulders. Well, it might have been looking like it was trying to put an inverted head and shoulders in, but that failed on Friday when it broke the low of the shoulder there before it even got up to the neckline. Okay, Nifty 50 off this morning as well, so it really is a risk-on market, risk off market this morning right the way through. FTSE not open yet, but it ended up Friday quite bearish, and I expect that to follow through this morning. So that's pretty much it. Bit of a quick one this morning, but I wish you a great day, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now. Can anyone actually hear me in this trading room at the moment?